Do you ever wish there was a simpler way to manage your business finances, collaborate seamlessly with your team, and get a crystal clear picture of your cash flow, all in one place? If you're nodding your head, then you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving deep into Relay, a banking platform that's changing the game for small businesses. But it's not just about having a great platform, it's about making it work for you, and that often means bringing your team, your bookkeeper, or even your accountant into the fold. So, how do you invite users to your Relay account and unlock the full power of collaborative financial management? Let's break it down, step by step. Why invite users to Relay? Before we jump into the how, let's quickly touch on the why. Why should you bother inviting other users to your Relay account? First, enhanced collaboration. Imagine your bookkeeper can directly access the transactions they need to categorize, or your co-founder can see real-time cash flow without having to ask you for updates. Relay allows you to grant different levels of access, ensuring everyone has the information they need without compromising security. This eliminates back-and-forth emails, shared spreadsheets, and the constant nagging feeling that something might be missed. Second, streamlined workflows. When multiple people are involved in your financial operations, Relay helps automate and simplify many tasks. Payments can be initiated by one team member and approved by another. Expenses can be tracked more efficiently. This saves valuable time and reduces the risk of errors. Think about it. No more waiting for bank statements to reconcile, no more chasing down receipts. It's all there, accessible to the right people. Third, better financial visibility. By having your entire financial team on Relay, you gain a more holistic and real-time view of your business's financial health. Everyone is working with the same, up-to-date information, leading to more informed decision-making. This is especially crucial for businesses that are growing rapidly or have complex revenue streams and expenditures. Finally, improved security and control. While it might seem counterintuitive to invite others for security, Relay's granular permission settings are a key benefit. Instead of sharing your own login credentials, a huge security no-no, you can invite users and assign them specific roles with limited access. This means your bookkeeper can't accidentally transfer funds, and your marketing manager can only view the transactions relevant to their budget. Understanding Relay's user roles. Relay offers different user roles, each with specific permissions. Understanding these roles is crucial for granting the right level of access to each invitee. You don't want to give someone full control when they only need to view transactions, and conversely, you don't want to restrict someone who needs to initiate payments. Let's break down the main roles you'll encounter. Account owner, this is you, the primary account holder. You have full control over everything, accounts, users, settings, transactions, you name it. There can only be one account owner. You are the ultimate decision maker and the one who sets up the initial account. Admins have nearly the same level of access as the account owner, with a few key exceptions. They can manage all bank accounts, move money between accounts, create new accounts, and manage users. However, they cannot close the Relay account itself or change the account owner. This role is ideal for co-founders or high-level executives who need broad oversight and operational control. Bookkeeper, this role is designed for, you guessed it, your bookkeeper or accountant. They can view all transactions across all accounts, access statements, and code transactions. They cannot move money or manage users. This read-only access to financial data is perfect for ensuring accurate record-keeping and tax preparation without giving them transactional authority. Cardholder, this role is for team members who need to make purchases using a Relay debit card. They can only view the transactions associated with their own card and the balance of the specific account their card is linked to. They cannot access other accounts or view other users' transactions. This is great for employees who need to manage their own expenses, like sales reps or project managers. Custom roles, Pro Plan. If you're on Relay's Pro Plan, you gain the ability to create custom roles with highly granular permissions. This means you can tailor access down to the smallest detail, for example, allowing a user to only view transactions from a specific account, or only approve payments up to a certain amount. This offers incredible flexibility for businesses with complex organizational structures or unique security requirements. This is where Relay truly shines for larger or more intricate operations. The step-by-step guide to inviting users. Now for the main event. The process of inviting users to your Relay account is straightforward and user-friendly. Step 1. Log into your Relay account. First things first, open your web browser and navigate to the Relay login page. Enter your credentials and log into your account. Make sure you are the account owner or an admin to perform this action. If you're a cardholder or bookkeeper, you won't have the necessary permissions. Step 2. Navigate to the Team or Users section. Once you're logged in, you'll typically find a navigation menu on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Look for an option that says Team or Users or something similar. This is where you'll manage all the individuals associated with your Relay account. Click on this option to proceed. Step 3. Click Invite User or Add Team Member. Within the Team or Users section, you'll see a button or link that says Invite User, Add Team Member, or similar. Click on this button to initiate the invitation process. This will typically open a new window or a form on the same page. Step 4. Enter the user's information. You'll be prompted to enter some basic information about the person you're inviting. Full name, enter their first and last name. Email address, this is crucial. Ensure you enter the correct email address, as the invitation will be sent to this address. They will use this email to create their Relay login. Phone number, optional but recommended. Providing their phone number can be helpful for communication, but it's usually not a mandatory field for the invitation itself. Step 5. Select the user's role. This is perhaps the most critical step. Based on the information we discussed about user roles, carefully select the appropriate role for the person you're inviting. If they need full operational control, but not account closure, choose admin. If they are your bookkeeper or accountant and only need to view and categorize transactions, select bookkeeper. If they need to make purchases with a debit card, choose cardholder. You'll then be prompted to link their card to a specific Relay account later. If you're on the Pro plan and need highly specific permissions, choose custom role and then configure the permissions as needed. Take a moment here to double-check your selection. Assigning the wrong role can lead to either security vulnerabilities or unnecessary restrictions for the invited user. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.